Good evening. My name is Deborah Williams, and I'd just like to say greetings to Professor Schuler and to all of my classmates. And just to answer the questions that we've been asked, my experience with learning research has been minimal, in my opinion. I did have 2 statistics classes in my undergrad, so I don't feel very well versed, even though the verbiage is familiar to me just from those classes and just from doing research papers myself. That's probably my limit to it. I always feel that it's a little complex for me. So I'm trying to go into this with a positive mind and with no fear. What would make learning research fun for me would be researching things that are of interest to me. And after viewing the syllabus, I think what most excites me about the course is that there will be some group projects. I like the idea of group projects because it's more interactive than, I would say it's a level higher than discussion boards. You get to talk to other people. You can run things by other people. You can be a part of the group. You can share things. And you get to see people face to face if it's going to be the way that it was for us in my first class, where we use Zoom and we use FaceTime and we talk to each other. And so I felt very supported, and I felt like I was able to be supportive. So that's the most thing that excites me about the course is the group work. So in conclusion, I wish everybody the best, and we will do this. 7 weeks. We can do anything for 7 weeks.